Hey, what's going on, Patrol Grooming family? Today I am roughing out this beard. We are going to lather in some beard balm for the first time. Typically using beard oil for the past couple days, but we're gonna start today with this beard balm. First time ever using beard balm. I like getting my beard pretty rough and opened up in order to, whenever I use product. And so getting the beard ready. I'm gonna use best practices on this beard balm. Open them up. Beard Patrol, Beard Balm, shea, argan, and cocoa butter with a lemongrass scent. Let's check it out. Beard Patrol, nice packaging. It'll have ingredients on it. Instructions: rub on fingertips, stroke through the beard starting at the roots. See that? Just a little bit oily at the top. Nice, rub it in there, mix it about. That should be good, to be honest. Rub it in the fingertips. See, it doesn't feel too oily, to be honest. Up into the beard. The smell is great. What's it, lemongrass? It's pretty strong, to be honest. Very fresh. I didn't expect it to be that fragrant. So rubbing it in the beard, checking it out all throughout. Honestly, I think I might need more. The point of a beard balm is to moisturize the hair follicles as well as the skin underneath. Because a lot of times when we'll try to grow a beard, or at least what I've experienced trying to grow a beard, my neck will kind of get dry underneath and you'll see some of that skin start to flake off. Beard balm, the beard oil has been helping with that. Beard balm supposedly should help the skin more. And so once it feels like it's fully applied, I like to rub my hands together to absorb that moisture that I can get from the beard balm. Take my brush, tame this guy down. And so, as you can see, when we first started the video, beard was looking pretty rough. I opened it up, and so this balm is hopefully gonna tame it out, help the hairs go in one direction, make them pretty relaxed, and grow in a better pattern. My face a little more moisturized. Really need to trim that stash off. Just a little lower. And there you have it, beard balm. Very easy to apply. It leaves my fingers a lot less oily than the beard oil. I don't like the beard oil. I mean, I'm all right with the beard oil. I just don't like the oily feeling on my fingers. I have to go wash my hands with soap. Beard balm is a much better experience. Overall, the smell is fantastic compared to the beard oil. It's a little more fresh, stronger, a little more fragrant. I enjoy the beard balm a little more. And I'll keep you guys posted on the next milestone kind of with the beard. I just posted a video about some of the struggles that I have had and some of the things that were pretty easy about growing the beard. And we'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. And I look forward to building this community with you guys.